Hey, what up YouTube? Today on my RC channel, I'm working on restoring this old rc10 from my past. I actually scored a good deal on a team car chassis, the re and various other little bits and pieces here and there. Here's where I'm currently at. This is the old school body of the tools, because, you know, I've been working on this project. Gotta hook it up with these clear wheels from the Clear Edition, because I got a good deal on the wheels and tires. And I had just gotten a bunch of random parts to kind of restore this car, so it's like the OG transmission and arms and bulkhead and you know, everything other than the chassis, the steering, the links. Everything else is old school. But nice, fresh gold pan. So far I've done the, there's a 3D printed shorty tray. I have printed out a bunch of parts to use. In fact, I have rear shock bushings somewhere. But I still need to restore the rear shocks. Gonna put a montage right. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, a follow, a comment, 15, 10, 20 comments. Share to all your friends, of course, you know, all that mumbo jumbo. And tune into my live soon. I should be finishing this car up in the next couple of days and actually getting it to be a runner. I'm still waiting on a couple of parts here and there, and then it's on. So when those parts come in, I'll do a live. I'll finish this car up live, and then obviously there'll be a driving after. All right, guys, be good to each other. God bless. Peace.